Powerdirector 16 GM5Patch version 0.2816 now available. If you're running Powerdirector 16, you want to go ahead and upgrade. When you run Powerdirector 16 in the top, you're going to see a bell. Click it. It'll tell you where to go. You basically download the program. Remember where you downloaded it. Shut Powerdirector down. Then actually proceed to the upgrade. Now, of course, as it says here, this patch is not for Powerdirector Live subscribers, OEM versions, or versions purchased via Steam. So, what is actually in this patch, and what's it going to do for us? Down here, it lists a few things. It's not a super big patch. From what I'm seeing, it adds support to the CyberLink AI Style plugin artwork. This looks like to be the majority reason why they did it, from what I can see. And that's actually sending you here, which if you want to get some different effects like artwork video, where it literally changes your video into kind of like a cartoon look or lines through the video. I mean, it creates these type of packs. You need to have this patch in order to install these if you wish to purchase these on Powerdirector. Says it improves the program stability when using MultiCam Designer, if that's something you use. Improves the program stability when you're producing at 9/16 video. Improves the program stability when producing 3D videos, if you're using that. Fixes the issues that the program sometimes crashes when scanning devices with particular software installed. Fixes the issue that the 9/16 video gets stretched if applying multiple fix enhance options or adjustments. Fixes the issue that is a green line on the bottom of a produced video in full HD resolution. I've never had that, so that's quite interesting. Fixes the issue that sometimes the audio waveform cannot be displayed on the timeline. Well, that is cool. What works for me, I made another video about this and it wasn't working for other people, but apparently this fix is going to fix this here with the audio waveform. So you definitely want to go and get yourself upgraded if you're running Powerdirector 16. I'll have a link to this forum post if you want to read it yourself. I'll even have a link where you can download the upgrade. I'll even have a link where you can actually pick up these styles here. Check it out in the bottom. At any rate, guys, upgrade your Powerdirector 16 and make it better. I'll catch you guys on the next one.